Amber and I are at Rockwell Automation Fair, and I'm going to tell you, I'm impressed with some of the new products that are here. Claudia asked, am I going to do a recap of everything I saw? No, not everything, but I do want to highlight a few features. The big releases was the ControlLogix 5590. Two cool features about it is dual Ethernet ports and built-in safety. Probably one of the big things y'all have asked me about is the 5034. It is the replacement for the 1734 IO. And I'm going to do a whole video on this one, but just check out the width difference. So this is the equivalent setup right here. A lot of cool features, including the NFC. Does it like an incredibly oversized toy to get us sitting here just playing with this thing. A lot of you've asked about doing some videos on analyzing your AC voltage. I don't know. Would this be a cool thing to play with? Yeah, pretty much just eye candy from Fluke here. I don't know how I missed the memo, but yeah, there is a Micro 820E. So we get all the cool Class 1 capabilities. Also, this has a USB-C port. So I was here with Steve from Brady learning about labels, and I'm like, I kind of recognize this. So they're using really good drawings to show off some really cool feature of their software. The real cool one is the in-cabinet Ethernet, and so this uses a ribbon cable. So you got the old style right here. You got about 60 wires. Let's say the old school rule of 4 minutes a wire. It's gonna be about 4 hours. It's gonna save us a ton of time. And actually, this comes on over. This is going to pick up our overloads too. So kind of debating, should we do some videos on this? Apparently, we should register our products. You get an extended year warranty. I didn't know that. Another thing a lot of you have asked about is, will we do some videos on some drawing software? So I've been thinking about maybe doing some e-plan stuff. Yeah, I know it's been Rockwell Automation a while, but it's still always going to be AB to me. Don't really know what this is, but we just ran into this on the floor. It's really cool looking. Got a little spinny thing going on there. Hopefully I didn't just break it. We're leaving automation there. How's your feet, Amber?
They hurt.
Yeah. How's your brain, Amber?
Burn.
Yeah. About the same here. A lot of good stuff. And yeah, we're going to definitely have a shopping list and hopefully have some videos for you soon.